Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to you know analyze basically the new developments in terms of COVID treatment. You might have already seen in the news that the DGCI, the Drug Controller General of India, has approved DRDO's anti-COVID oral drug, okay, and it's called 2DG, okay, or 2-deoxy-D-glucose. So we're going to discuss how this can impact on the stock market tomorrow and the next week, okay, because it's kind of some analysts are saying, or some experts in the field of medicine are saying, that it's going to be a game changer for handling the pandemic. So let's see how the market would see this news as, okay. First of all, we have to understand what you can see. It's the Economic Times. This article is from Economic Times, and you can clearly see here it says DGCI approves anti-COVID drug developed by DRDO for emergency use. Okay, so I would say, the market is just waiting for any sort of good news, because if you look at the chart, you can make out clearly that the market just doesn't want to come down at all, okay. So that's why I'm seeing this just as a correction more, rather than a downfall or a downtrending mode, okay. It's just a correction in an uptrend, and the market is clearly showing that. If you go to charts as well, you can see this is the Nifty chart. Let me just zoom in for you. Okay, you see here, it's especially on a weekly time frame. If you see, it's been going non-stop, okay. I know there is a correction due, and I just see this itself as a correction, okay. So really the market doesn't want to come down. It tried once here and then went up, again tried, went up, again tried, it went up. So it's a clear indication that the market is not in a mood to go down. So in this scenario, what happens is it just takes any sort of even slightly positive news as a bigger one, and then it try to consolidate the price, or even try to move higher. In this context, we can see that this is kind of a big breakthrough, I would say, and it's not done like overnight thing. There has been a lot of preparation behind this. If you see, this research work has started somewhere in March 2020, I guess. So they have conducted first phase of trial, and then the second phase of trial, and then sub-second phase of trial till March, okay, March or April 2021, I guess. So it have taken nearly 1 year to come out with this kind of drug. So the main key points I have noticed here is basically, this is the drug that they have come up with, 2DG. It's shortly called as 2DG. And some of the important points that I noted was this one here. This drug claims to reduce the oxygen dependence, okay, and also faster recovery. And the current crisis, why the market is kind of going down, is mainly because of oxygen scarcity and the increasing number and increasing fatality rate. So if you see these parameters, I think this drug is going to reduce that significantly. That's what I believe. If this drug, whatever this drug is claiming to be, if it's going to be true, then this is what's going to happen. They say it's going to reduce the oxygen levels, or oxygen dependency, and also faster recovery who are in need of oxygen, basically, okay. And it also reduces the hospitalization rate. So in this sense, this is a good news for the market. And as I said, the market is just wants to cling on to any of the good news, no matter how big or small. It wants to take that and either consolidate or go higher, okay. So this is what is happening. And if you see, as soon as the RBI governor made some statements the other day giving some relief to MSMEs, and that the market gapped up, and then it started going up, even though it wasn't like I wouldn't say it was too much significant of support for the market, but still it went up, and it's consolidating there. Now added to that, this is another positive news, and I think the market will see it as a catalyst news to go higher, and there will be some sort of positive sentiment in the market. purely because of this is my opinion actually, as it claims it reduces the oxygen dependency and faster recovery rate, obviously resulting in lower hospitalization rate, and also the mortality rate goes down. Added to that, and I'm expecting the number of COVID cases reporting every day should come down, uh, owing to the lockdowns in several key states where the cases have been really high. And as you can see, Karnataka is also imposing a complete lockdown from May 10th. So to see the results of that, it may take some time, but we're already seeing some sort of positive results from Maharashtra lockdown, and the cases have been coming down. So in this context, I would say it's good to go long, and the market will take this news by the DRDO's anti-COVID drug as a very positive news, and it might act as a catalyst for the market to go up. And why I'm saying as catalyst is, as you can see, catalyst is, it just facilitates a quick reaction, right? So if you see, index has been in a range, we have been discussing in our other videos as well, it's in a range like this, and it is sitting right at the top. Okay, so it can break out tomorrow, and if it can sustain these higher prices, then definitely we can see some prices reaching the previous highs, and also even breaking that, depending on further updates in the regarding the COVID cases. Okay, so I am being bullish in the market, and if it doesn't, it just have to, if this news doesn't hold, then I'll probably see some sort of upside, and then getting back into this channel itself, that will bring some negativity into the market. So tomorrow is going to be a key uh, day for bulls. They have to work hard, and then if they close higher, then the market is going to go up. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please share and subscribe with your friends. Also join my free Telegram channel, where you can get some updates free of charge. And that's it, guys. See you soon.